Hi. How are you? How are you, my friend?
I'm fine.
You working hard?
Yes, laundry, dry clean.
Oh, dry clean. Oh, that's nice.
Siglo. Mm. Hi, ikaw. Hi. My friend, oh.
Hi.
Hi, daw. Hi.
Hi.
Good morning, madam.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Good.